Right here we have a creature named Bob. We've just finished installing his Fast Intentions resonated test pipes. Now we're going to do a sound bite. See how these things sound. Nice halo kit, by the way. Damn, those lights look good. I wonder who did those for you. And his Magma Red 2013. And he's not having a midlife crisis, he's already been through it. Got a nice little rumble sound. There's no sound coming from the test pipes or the connections. You've just got that rasp back there in the back.
Okay, sweet. What, the hiss? What makes that? Thanks.
We're still taped. It's on this side, right here. That side.
Is it?
How about I get inside, start it up, and you can listen to it.
Okay.
Here, you can hold the camera. Make sure you use your British accent.
I can't see anything.
You have to stop it and start it again. Go ahead, because they'll only let me post about 5 minutes. Where's your keys?
That would help, huh?
I'm not in the proximity. What was that?
Change.
Are you ready, sir?
I'm ready. Ready.